I am in the University of Lucknow. So today I thought that I should make a video on JLB PhD notification 2026. I have been seeing for a long time that students are in a very panic situation because they are waiting for the notification and which is not has been released by JLU till now. So many students want to do PhD from University of Lucknow. So I am telling you the reason why the notification has not been released till now. The reason is that there was a dispute between affiliated colleges and universities. Professor, university professor wants that the seats should be only reserved for the professor of universities and no seats should be given to the professors who are from affiliated colleges. So this was the big dispute between the professor of university and the professor of affiliated colleges. So and that was the main reason in delay PhD 2026 notification. So according to me that I have got some information from senior that the PhD notification may come next month. So you can wait for next month and hopefully it will be released. So do not panic and start preparing for JLU PhD entrance exam because you know that in JLU the PhD admission is completely based on your written exam and interview. So you cannot take this exam very likely. So you should work hard to crack the exam and get admission. I am telling the seats that are going to come. I have seen last year at least 84 seats were given by university, but this time the seats may be reduced to 44. So this time you will not see more seats in comparison with the previous. So at the moment you should start preparing for the exam and if you want to crack any PhD exam you should focus on the syllabus provided by university in PG. If you are master, if you have completed the syllabus of PG very well, so nobody can be stopped from getting admission into PhD. Okay, best of